In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize text in Framer. Whether you're creating a new project or refining an existing one, adding text is an essential skill that can help communicate your ideas clearly. So, let's dive right in and explore how to do this in a way that feels both intuitive and fun. To get started, we'll first open Framer. Begin by launching the Framer application on your computer. Once you're in, the next step is to open your project. You can do this by selecting an existing project from your dashboard or starting a new one if you're feeling creative. Either way, the idea is to get into a space where you're ready to begin crafting your design. Now that your project is open, let's focus on adding some text. Look toward the toolbar, usually found on the left side of your screen, and locate the text icon. It's your key to inserting text into your canvas. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, you can type anywhere on your canvas. Simply click on the canvas where you want your text to appear and start typing. Whether it's a headline, a subhead, or a small annotation, you're in control. After you have your text on the canvas, it's time to make it your own. Head over to the right side of your Framer interface. This is where the customization magic happens. Here, you'll find a wide array of options to change the look and feel of your text. Start by exploring the font options. You can switch between different fonts to find the one that fits your project best. Don't hesitate to preview them one by one until you find the perfect match. Next, let's look at changing the font color. You'll notice there are various options to tweak the hue, saturation, and brightness of your text color. Try experimenting with different colors to see what stands out or matches your overall design theme. Remember, the right color can make a significant difference in how your text is perceived. Feel free to explore everything available in the customization panel. There are often additional settings beyond fonts and colors, such as text size, line height, letter spacing, and more. These options are there to help you fine-tune your text until it looks just right. And there you have it. That's how you add and customize text in Framer. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to effectively integrate text into your design projects, conveying your message with clarity and style. So, take some time to experiment and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.